have placed candidate in testing. Let me go through her journey. Hi Shweta.
Hi.
So can you share your experience in QSpiders?
First of all, I completed my graduation in last year 2023, and I also attended outside interviews, and I have no idea what will be doing in future, and I have no idea. At that time, my relative reference QSpiders to learn QSpiders, either taking developing or testing course. So with the help of relative reference, I will join QSpiders at July last year 2023. I will take software testing course. First, I will take Java course. Actually QSpiders I learned more than my college. Testing is very new for me because I also learned developing oriented only in college days. So testing is very different for me, and also it feels happy, and I love the subjects also. So manual testing, my Michelle sir was taking manual testing. Manual testing concepts are very easy. Daily I love to study. Daily only I will say. I love to study manual testing daily because sir will ask questions, and also I learn to how to write test cases, test plans, and also I watch more YouTube videos. I love manual testing also, API testing and manually. So testing courses, it was give my bright future for me, sir.
Nice, nice. So what do you want to suggest for ongoing students?
First of all, we all know technical subject is strong, but mandatory is communication. First, we will improve communication by doing presentation, and also in interview, first to go to the technical round before we clear either aptitude or group discussion. So we will more focus on aptitude. We will, based on the company, the aptitude topics are changed. So we will prepare aptitudes every day. More than technical subject, then only we will reach the technical part. And also while speaking in group discussion, either we know the concept or not, we will talk flow.
Nice, nice. Congratulations.